The error scanning networks message in the Tesla app usually means the app can't access your phone's Wi-Fi to connect with your Tesla. This is often due to incorrect or missing location permissions on your Android or iOS device. This prevents the app from detecting the vehicle's Wi-Fi hotspot, which is needed for features like Sentry Mode and software updates. As of late 2025, Tesla has made improvements to the app to reduce this error, but manual fixes are still sometimes necessary. To resolve the error scanning networks, ensure the Tesla app has correct permissions. Location services must be set to allow all the time on Android or always on iOS so the app can scan for networks in the background. On Android, verify that Wi-Fi scanning is enabled in your phone's location settings. Lastly, make sure background app refresh is enabled for the Tesla app. These settings allow the app to consistently search for and connect to your Tesla. First, open your Android phone's Settings app. This is usually represented by a gear icon and can be found in your app drawer or home screen. Next, scroll through the Settings menu and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. Then, find and select the Tesla app from the list of installed applications. Once in the Tesla app settings, tap on Permissions or App Permissions to view and manage what the app can access on your phone. In the Permissions menu, find Location and ensure it's set to Allow all the time. This is crucial because Wi-Fi scanning requires location access for security reasons, and the Tesla app needs it to detect your vehicle's hotspot. Go back to the main Settings menu. Search for Location Settings, then scroll to find Wi-Fi Scanning or Scanning. Make sure this toggle is enabled as it allows apps to scan for Wi-Fi networks even when Wi-Fi is turned off. Finally, restart your Android phone completely, then reopen the Tesla app. This ensures all permission changes take effect and the app can properly scan for networks. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for the gray gear icon on your home screen. Scroll down in Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services to access location permissions. In the Location Services list, scroll through the apps to find the Tesla app. It should appear alphabetically. For the Tesla app, tap on it and change the Location Access setting to Always. This allows the app to access location even when not in use. Ensure that Precise Location is turned on for the Tesla app. This provides more accurate location data needed for Wi-Fi scanning. Finally, restart your iPhone and then reopen the Tesla app to apply the changes. The error should now be resolved. Battery optimization settings on your phone can interfere with the Tesla app's background network scanning. To fix this, exempt the Tesla app from battery saving modes. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Tesla, then Battery, and select Don't Optimize. On iOS, disable low power mode in the control center while using the Tesla app. If adjusting permissions doesn't resolve the network scanning error, additional troubleshooting steps can help. First, try clearing the Tesla app's cache on Android devices. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Apps, and select the Tesla app. Tap on Storage, then Clear Cache to remove temporary data that might be causing issues. For both Android and iOS, you can delete the Tesla app and reinstall it from the respective app store. This ensures you have the latest version and clears any corrupted data. On Android, use the Google Play Store, and on iOS, use the App Store. Reinstalling the app clears any corrupted data and ensures you have the most recent version with bug fixes and improved compatibility. Many Tesla owners have successfully resolved the error scanning networks issue by following the troubleshooting steps we've covered. Here are some real-world examples to illustrate how these fixes work in practice. For example, after an Android 13 update, a Tesla owner in California encountered the error when trying to connect to their vehicle's hotspot. By granting the nearby devices permission in their phone's settings, the app was able to detect the Wi-Fi network and complete the firmware update successfully. Another common scenario occurred when an iOS user in Europe set up their new iPhone with a Model 3. After enabling location services and setting it to Always Allow, the Tesla app could successfully scan for and connect to the vehicle's Wi-Fi hotspot, resolving the error during the initial setup process. On a larger scale, a Singapore-based enterprise with a fleet of 200 Cybertrucks faced the error during mass updates. By adjusting device policies to whitelist the Tesla app's permissions, IT teams resolve the issue, allowing seamless connectivity for firmware updates across the entire fleet. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the error still persists, don't worry. Contact Tesla support directly through their website or app, or refer to the built-in help section within the Tesla app for step-by-step guidance tailored to your specific situation. Looking ahead, the trend towards stricter app permissions, driven by privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA, will continue to shape how apps like Tesla's interact with mobile devices. Tesla is planning to integrate satellite connectivity with its vehicles, which could reduce the need for local Wi-Fi scanning and associated permissions in the future. To minimize these scanning errors, stay updated with Tesla app updates, as the company is actively improving the permission user experience. Finally, always be mindful of the permissions you grant to apps and understand their impact on your privacy. By staying informed, you can enjoy Tesla's features while protecting your data.